from the Pacific Northwest.
Everybody always thinks I'm much taller than I am and I have to lower everything. So Shanda and I are actually real good friends in real life. And we've always wanted to sing together, so we're doing it now. Take that.
Basement.